It was obvious to me, and I believe Dr. Trilk, that the medical world is a little bit shy of training in food and nutrition.
Most doctors do not have the competencies in nutrition education. It's not about just eating more salad. It's really about increasing the fiber intake, lowering the cholesterol, lowering the saturated fat, lowering the sodium content, and increasing the nutrient density. How do you think learning in the kitchen with the medical students would potentially help with your health?
Oh, I would hope a lot, because I'm learning a new recipe today. My husband is also, and I want to cook better.
I'm having more fun. Christian's outstanding. He's helping us with these edamames, and we've been cutting up carrots, and we're just having a great time. The students are the new docs, learning how to cook and what to eat is so important.
And culinary medicine is really applicable for every specialty in and outside of medicine. I matched into OBGYN, and I'm staying here in town for that residency program. I feel like nutrition is a really hard subject for our patients. And the fact that I get to work with women and people that have children is really a blessing, because you can kind of start with that younger generation and also help moms be as healthy as they can be for pregnancy and beyond.
I think one thing that's really important in terms of culinary medicine is really being able to go through like the nutrition facts in recipes and understand what they mean. Our doctors, especially your primary care doctors, can really be helpful about pointing out what's the difference in unsaturated fat versus a saturated fat. How much fiber you need, your different amount of vitamins, helping you pick your ingredients at the grocery store, specific meals, etc.
I believe that food is medicine, and that started the thought about getting this curriculum and partnering with the medical school. We have gone now into our 8th year. We've got a kitchen full of students cooking and talking and training their patient, if you will, which hopefully will be the future for medicine.
Chronic disease is the leading cause of death and disability, and the leading driver of the nation's $4.1 trillion in annual healthcare costs. Improving patients' health in South Carolina and beyond requires care providers who are skilled in counseling patients about preventing costly and debilitating chronic diseases. Our medical school is the first U.S. medical school to fully incorporate education in nutrition, physical activity, behavior change, and self-care in all 4 years of the medical school curriculum.
Culinary medicine really complements the lifestyle medicine course that we've gone throughout medical school. To have an actual physical recipe in front of us where we can see that, oh, if there's an increased potassium because of all these fresh fruits and vegetables, somebody's going to absorb less sodium and they're going to have a better outcome with their kidney disease. In this recipe, we're substituting some of the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt, so somebody with heart disease will have less saturated fat in their diet. And it's really nice to have a solid physical product I could give a patient as an example of something they can do to improve their own health and improve their own quality of life.
We have done a great job of building a program that has helped training doctors, and then they're going to take that knowledge out into the communities to show them what we're doing.
Because of Truist Culinary Hospitality Innovation Center, the partnership can expand for our Greenville community.
You have a commitment to make medicine better than what it is right now. I go home tonight and go, wow, I made a little difference. You can make the big difference. And overall, my kids, my grandchildren will have a better nutritional, balanced life experience as they grow up, and hopefully be healthier because of it. So go out there and change the world for me, if you will, okay? That's all I got.